Ayan, ako istoryahan rin mga katsoy ha. Ay, kabalo niya magtagalog mga katsoy. Mangutan at ano niya.
Before, all the part-timers don't have a pension. Now we yeah.
What are you talking about?
Pension.
Pension?
How much crappy money we're gonna get.
So how much you gonna get? Say hi.
Hello. Crappy money. Who is it?
No, nothing. Just a vlog.
Huh?
Just a raw vlog.
A road
So,
dog. Pension.
mga katsoy, kabalo ni siya
Wala
magkuhan.
pera.
Oh, wala pera. Kabalo ni siya magtagalog.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah. So, what else?
Sa awan ng Diyos.
Oh, sa awa ng Diyos, oh, see? So, what else you know about Tagalog?
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon. Okay.
Mabaho, walang
Ayun.
hugas.
Patay tayo dyan mga katsoy. Eto, I don't know kung sino nagturo nito. Ayan, puro mga kalokohan tinuturo niya.
Tamad.
Oh, yan, tamad.
See, my knees are sore. Very tamad.
So, walang hugas. Ha? Wala din.
Walang hugas.
Walang
Here,
hugas,
Wash
ma'am.
my teeth.
Mabaho.
Wash my butt.
Mabaho pik.
No.
Oh,
Baboy.
Baboy.
I got a better one. What's that other one? Kanto tayo?
Ayun.
Is that bad?
Masarap yun.
Is that bad? See, even if it's mabaho? No.
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 No, don't do it.
Melanese.
Yeah, kailangan malinis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And hanakin mo pweko.
Ayan.
See?
Ang daming alam nito mga
Kababayan.
Yeah.
I started off with the good one though. Boom, panes.
Boom, pan-
boom, panes. Boom, pawes. Boom, pawes.
Boom pawes. Ayun, ang sakit ng tiyan ko mga katsoy.
Na, tay, gusto ko, tina pie, gusto ko kape, gusto ko lahat. Not
See?
bad.
So, you know a lot.
Yeah.
Where did you
Because Sleep
Who?
Center, Kababayan.
Oh yeah, you're Kababayan.
Everybody here is
Uh-huh.
Kababayan. I love it.
So, marami kasing nagturo sa kanya mga katsoy.
That's
Kaya, she knows.
Ang bobo talaga. I'm gonna
She
go
knows some more, yeah. I have to go to mga katsoy. Okay?
back to work.
Peace
Tara.
out.